Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on HCF and LCM. It says the greatest number which will divide 410, 751 and 1030, leaving a remainder 7 in each case is. So let us see how we can approach this question. First thing with the question based on HCF and LCM is you need to identify whether this question belongs to LCM or to HCF. A very layman method of finding whether it belongs to LCM or HCF is look at the values in the question. Since the values are 410, 751 and 1030, and then look at the values in the options. The values are 29, 31, 17 and 37. As you can see, the values in the questions are greater than the values in the options. So therefore, we are going to calculate the HCF from the question. And hence I can say the question belongs to HCF. Though if your understanding is good enough, by reading the statement as well, you can figure out that the question belongs to HCF. The question says the greatest number. And we know that the full form of HCF is highest common factor. So we are going to look for a greatest number, and that is HCF. Anyways, now let us see what the question is saying. So the question says the greatest number which will divide 410, 751 and 1030 to give a remainder of 7 in each case. So we need to find out the value of x. But when we divide 410 by 7, we get a remainder 7. So before we go for the HCF process, we need to figure out the HCF should be calculated for three numbers, and that is 410 minus 7, because we must remove the remainder part from it so as to make it completely divisible by x. 751 minus 7 and 1030 minus 7. So I get the values as HCF of 403, 744 and 1023. So we need to figure out the values of these three values. So for the HCF, we need to find out the factors of these values. So 403 should be factorized. Similarly, we'll be factorizing 744, and similarly, we'll be doing a factor of 1023. So let us see how do we do this. When I do the factorization of 403, I will be getting 31 as one of the factors, and the other factors of 403 are 13 to the power 1, because both of these are prime numbers, so it cannot be factorized further. Similarly, 744 can be factorized by using 31 and 2 in this way. Similarly, 1023 can be factorized using the values such as 31 and 3 and 11. So this is how we can factorize these three numbers. So the HCF would be the common value. As you can see, in all three of them, the only number which is common is 31. So therefore HCF is 31, and hence the greatest number which will divide 410, 751 and 1030, leaving a remainder 7 in each case, is 31, which gives my answer as option number 2. So this is how we can solve such a question based on HCF and LCM. In fact, HCF in this case, wherein the remainder is given. I hope everyone has understood the problem. Thank you everyone.